Well, here's a little update on the slug bug. Timing belt, everything's installed. Got a new water neck outlet because the gasket went bad and it started leaking. The gasket that's on there is completely flush, so that's bad. But so far it's a new motor, spark plugs, rear main seal, front main seal, timing belt, water pump, belt tensioner, water outlet, and a serpentine belt. That's what's gone into the car so far. Everything lights up and works. Fucking stupid thing, focus. Keep in mind it still has gas in it that's about 2 years old. Try to drain out as much as I can, but still has some, or at least enough for it to run. All the lights work, all the windows work. Told Larry not to mess with that one, damn it. But overall, this is what it looks like. It's up and running. Yes, I know you're pissed off because the door is open and you're running. And the hatch is open. But other than that, it's up and running. It's alive again. Oh. Yep, now it's closed. That's been sitting for about a year, almost 2 years. Old motor blew up. Got the new motor in and everything seems to be going gravy. That's just water left over from me washing off the engine. Overall, everything's nice. I am happy with it. Everything seems to be gravy. That's a little update on the bug. This has to go through emissions, a new set of tires, a good detailing, and eventually probably a convertible top. And guess who's getting that job? This guy. It's gonna be fun. And I'm probably gonna fix this. It's gonna be my next job probably, before the top. I told Larry not to mess with it. But she's alive. Yeah, I know. Oh, shut up. Very nice. Yep, it works. Wow, the AC actually still works. Alright, it's too cold for this shit. Let's go back to heat. Alright, I'm getting out of here before the dust storm hits. That's a little update on the slug bug.